guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yusra and today I am here with a new video in which we're gonna create some quick and easy DIY gift ideas for this Valentine's Day. Basically these are last minute ideas which you can make in very less time. Alright, so let's begin the video. So guys, for today's DIY I am using Mouldit clay by Fevicryl. Here I am mixing the hardener and resin which is given in the packet like this. And when you are done with the mixing, make a ball of it and press the clay like this. Now take a knife and make a heart shape like this. You can use a pencil also. After that, cut the shape carefully. You can make it more smooth with the help of some water like I am doing here. And when you are happy with your shape, take a matchstick and make a hole like this. Now let it dry for some time. You can see here I have also made these two and I created this circular one with the help of my thumb like this. Okay, let's start painting it. Here I am using my red color. Here we just need to paint the border of this circular ornament. After painting it, let it dry for some time. And when it is dried completely, start applying some Fevicryl in the heart like this. Now sprinkle some glitter. Here I am using my golden glitter. You can use any color. And when your glitter is dried completely, tie a jute string or thread like this. And it's done. You can see here how pretty it is looking. Alright, to make the next one, here I am using my aqua green and white together to make a lighter shade. And here I am applying the shade on the heart. We need at least 2 coats of paint to make the color more bright. And when it is done, start applying some golden acrylic paint on the corners of the heart like I am doing here. And when it is done, start writing anything you want to write on this heart. Here I am writing love. After that, when your paint is dried completely, fix a keychain like this. So here our keychain is ready. You can gift it to your loved ones. Okay, so for the third and last gift idea, here I am painting my heart with a white acrylic paint as my base color. And like I said before, use at least 2 coats of paint. And guys, one more thing, if you are new here, new to my channel, please do subscribe to this channel. I need your support and love. very much. So please do subscribe and press the bell so that you can get all the notifications from my side. Alright, here I am done with my base color. Now take a round brush, a small round brush, and start painting the flowers like this. You don't need to be perfect in making flowers. Here you can see I am making these flowers with some random strokes. So you can make beautiful flowers with some random strokes like this. After that, make some leaves with the help of sap green and white. Now here I am adding some details to the flowers with the help of my brown and white color. And in the end, here I am adding some more details to the petals of the flowers. Now to finish this ornament, here I am adding a golden ribbon. You can tie a beautiful ribbon to this ornament and it's done. So guys, these are some last minute ideas from my side which you can gift to your loved ones on this Valentine's Day. And I hope that you like this video, and if you did then please do hit the like button, and I'll be back very soon. Till then, take care, bye.